Hello, my name is Angela. I'm from Who Happiness. I help families start living a more natural life, one simple step at a time. I want to show you my all-natural full facial system that I use, and it's super easy to put together. So the first thing that you're going to start with is a face scrub. If this was winter, I would say you would do 1 part coconut oil and 1 part either sugar or baking soda. But because it's summertime, I don't recommend you use coconut oil. It's really different in the summertime. So this is actually creamed honey and baking soda. And what I did, there's a couple of things you need to know when you're making this, is you want to put the honey in the container first. And then you're going to put the oils in so the oils get mixed in really good. The oils I use for this is just Melaleuca. So in this whole entire container, I only have 5 or 6 drops of Melaleuca. So I put in probably 2 or 3 tablespoons of creamed honey. I prefer creamed honey. And then I mixed in 3 tablespoons of baking soda. And I mixed it in really good. And I just put this on my face in the shower. I exfoliate my face. I do tiny circles. I do it for a full minute and a half. And then I rinse my face off, and that's all I do in the shower. You can follow with a toner, a homemade toner. I don't personally use a toner. I find when I do use a toner, I actually have more face concerns. But I know lots of people who like to use a toner, so you can use just 1 part apple cider vinegar or 1 part witch hazel, whichever you prefer, and the rest water, and then you put in the oils that you like. So I recommend putting in lavender because it's really calming and it's really fantastic for the skin. And then you go to a facial serum. So I use something straight from doTERRA, but I've also made my own. And so this little guy right here, this has frankincense, geranium, and lavender in it. So this is a 10 ml bottle. In this 10 ml bottle, I put probably, I think, 3 drops of each, and then I filled the rest with fractionated coconut oil, and I just put a couple of drops in my hand and put it on my face as a moisturizer. Or again, I use this serum. Or you can just follow with your regular lotion. If you want to make your own facial lotion, all you have to do is whip some coconut oil and some shea butter, equal parts of coconut oil and shea butter. Put 5 or 10 drops depending on the container size that you have. Whip it, and you have an all-natural cream for your face. So facial scrub, half and half of creamed honey and baking soda or sugar, and then just 5 or 6 drops of Melaleuca. Toner, 1 part apple cider vinegar or witch hazel, the rest water, and then a couple of drops of lavender. So in this is probably a 30 ml bottle or a 50 ml bottle. I'd say only 10 or 11 drops of lavender. And then a serum, so either your purchased serum or your purchased lotion. And in my serum, I do frankincense, geranium, and lavender, and top with fractionated coconut oil. And if you want to do a cream, you're just going to whip coconut oil and shea butter and add some frankincense to it, and you have an all-natural facial system that's really easy to make, and your face will love it. My face loves it. And that's all I have for you today. So have an amazing day.